Hey, it's Cara, and this is Make Space, a home design show that empowers you to make space in your home for the life that you want to live and get hands-on making spaces. I'm here to show you that design is easy, DIY is doable, and creating a space for you will literally change your life. I sit down with amazingly brilliant guests like HGTV stars, leading interior designers, and some professionals to show you what it takes to create the home of your dreams. We dive deeper than pin-worthy rooms to figure out the essentials of what it takes to make a home that supports your everyday life. I believe that the best designer for your space is you, and I want to show you how you can take charge of that process to make it happen. Tune in every Wednesday for conversations that will help you transform your home and, frankly, your life. Here's the deal. We live in a world of overwhelming inspiration. From an endless stream of beautiful spaces and DIY project ideas on social, to where almost anything can arrive on your doorstep with free shipping in just 2 days. I'm here to help you filter through all the inspiration and bring you incredible advice from amazing guests to help you walk away with just the strategies you need to turn the house you have now into your dream home. Yes, it's possible, and it doesn't take a lot of money or hiring a professional. It just takes a little creativity, a little intentionality, and the right tips to make it happen. I'm so excited to be relaunching the show bigger and better than ever. You'll be able to watch finally because there will be video. The guest list is wild in terms of some of the incredible people I have booked. I'm currently working on DIYing a really cool podcast space for all this to happen. Don't miss out as I re-release some of my favorite conversations over the next few weeks as we prepare for new episodes dropping May 10th. So what do you say? Should we make space in the house you have now to create your dream home? Feels like yes. Let's make space.